But the big story that's breaking this evening, the Narendra Modi government has submitted a written response in the Rajya Sabha claiming no deaths due to the lack of oxygen was specifically reported by states and UTs during the second COVID-19 wave. Centre has further blamed the states for not sharing data, says health is a state subject and states and union territories regularly report the number of cases and deaths to the centre. No deaths due to the lack of oxygen have been specifically reported by the states. Milan Sharma joins us with the very latest. Milan, what is the centre trying to say? Is it resorting to a technicality that because the death certificates did not say oxygen deaths, hence no oxygen deaths?
Yes, Rajiv, that's exactly what the government is trying to say, because they have not received data from any state or union territory stating that there were deaths that occurred due to the acute shortage of oxygen in their particular state. We have seen in the state of Delhi, Karnataka, Goa, Uttar Pradesh, a lot of hospitals had reportedly said that patients died due to lack of oxygen and timely supply of oxygen. Now, the centre says that all the data that has been given to us by the states is what we are responsible for. If the state does not report a death, then we will only compile the data and present to you what has been submitted to us by the state. State health being a state subject. But we have seen, Rajdeep, a lot of cases that have been fought in the Supreme Court as well as High Court on deaths due to lack and shortage of oxygen, where hospital authorities were crying and even governments at their were folding hands to supply a lot of oxygen to the state. And here, not a single state there comes out and says that anyone in their state has died due to lack of oxygen. This is raising a lot of concerns on what kind of data is being maintained on COVID deaths, whether they died due to COVID-19 or whether they died due to hospital or lack of oxygen. One point I'd like to say very quickly is that hospital committees have their own authorities that sit, and ethics committee decides whether the death happened due to oxygen shortage or any other reason. A lot of these committees have said that the deaths did not occur only due to the lack of oxygen, and there could be other reasons attributed. This is the problem of reporting from states here.
But either way, clearly question marks over the manner in which that written reply was drafted in the Rajya Sabha. Clearly extremely bureaucratic, and as some are saying, lacking sensitivity. Either way, it's likely to play out in the Rajya Sabha on Thursday. Remember, tomorrow being a holiday. Milan Sharma reporting on that. Let's take